Today we are starting with quadratic equations, factorization method of solving equations. Factorization method. Factorization means what? Finding factors of numbers. Suppose we start with exercise 2.2. First question is x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Solve this by factorization method. That's a question. We take the product of the coefficients of the quadratic term and also the constant term. Here 1 into 54. 54. We have to factorize it. We have to split it into two terms. On adding these two terms, we should get the middle term. On taking the product, we should get the product of first and last terms. 1 into 54, 54. 54 means many numbers are there, but addition we have to get minus 15. Product is plus. Product is plus, at the same time addition is minus, means both should be minus. Both numbers are minus, then only minus into minus plus, also minus, and minus 4 means minus. Product is positive plus quantity. It means, and the sum is minus quantity, so both should be minus. Okay, now here we take minus 9 and 6, minus 6, minus into minus plus, 9 6 are 54, minus 9 minus 6 on addition, we are getting minus 15. So we fix it. Many other factors are there. 27 into 2 we have, like that many terms are there, but here we go for 9 and 6. 9 6 are 54, minus 9 minus 6, product is plus 54, addition is minus 15. So we split the middle term. First term as it is, middle term becomes minus 9x minus 6 more x plus this 54 equal to 0. Now we take common factor from here. These two gives us x into remaining x minus 9. Now this coefficient of x is here minus 6, that you take out. Then write the same term here, x minus 9. Check and see, minus 6 into x minus 6x. Minus into minus plus, 6 9s are 54 equal to right hand side. Now this x minus 9 common factor we take out. Therefore x minus 9 into this into x here, here x minus 9 into minus 6, so minus 6 equal to 0. Now what you have to understand, product of two terms is equal to 0, like this, a into b equal to 0. It means either a is 0, b may not be 0, or b may be 0. 0 into b is 0, or a into 0 equal to 0, meaning either a is 0 or b is 0. Even some cases both may be 0. Here we say first is 0 or the second term x minus 6 equal to 0. If this is 0, x is equal to 9, one answer. This is one root. Or minus 6 goes there plus 6, x is equal to 6, that's the second one. Therefore, solution, x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 6. This is how we have to factorize it. Product of first and last terms, we take the coefficients plus 54, 1 into 54, 54. But on addition, we should get minus quantity. So we decide by, that is by minus 10 and minus 6. On addition, we are getting minus 15. Or taking product, we are getting plus 54. Split the only the middle term. Then we group it, gathering similar terms, and also we are getting this form. Product of two terms is equal to 0. So product of the first is 0. First is 0 or the second factor is 0. These are factors. X minus 9 is a first factor x minus 6 is the second factor. Product is 0, so either first is 0 or second is 0. With this argument, x is 9 or x is equal to 6. That is first question. Now we pass on to second question. Product is here 1 into minus 20 minus 20. Summation, we should get plus 1. Product is minus. So addition should be 1 should be plus. The other should be minus. Then only plus into minus minus. And minus 20 plus 1. Plus quantity is greater. So it is 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20 plus into minus minus. Addition gives us plus 5 minus 4 plus 1. Plus 1 times x. So it is fixed. It is correct. So we continue here. X square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. Here what you see common factor? X. So we take x out. So remaining x into x. Here plus x into 5. X is come out, so 5. Now the same x plus 5 should be this x factor. So x coefficient minus 4. We take it out as common factor. Then that the same x plus 5 equal to 0. And checking what? Minus 4 into x. Correct. Minus into plus. Minus. 4 5s are 20. That also correct. Now this x minus 5, x plus 5 common factor. This x plus 5 we take common factor. Into this x. Here this is into minus 4. Equal to 0. Again same argument. Product of two terms is 0. It means either the first is 0 or the second factor is 0. Here first factor x plus 5 may be 0 or the second factor x minus 4 equal to 0. If first factor is 0, x is equal to plus 5 goes to the other side of the equation minus 5. Here x is equal to plus minus 4 goes that side as plus 4. Second equation, second solution. Therefore we conclude solution x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 4. Whichever is required we can take. These are the two solutions for this given equation. Here also what we do, middle term we divide it. Divide in the sense, that is group it. Split it to two terms. The plus 1 changes into plus 5 minus 4. So that addition gives us plus 1. Product gives us product of extremes. Product of first and last term minus 20. Splitting the middle term like this plus 5 minus 4. Product is minus 20. Addition is plus 1 time this x. 1 time x. 1x. Okay, this is question number 2. Now question number 3, you please try as homework. I do question number 4. This is question number 4. This is 5m square. 5m square equal to plus 22m plus 15 equal to sign. This is right hand side terms. We take to left hand side. Plus 22m becomes minus 22m plus 15 comes this side as minus 15 equal to 0. Both the terms are taken to this side with opposite signs. Then here no other terms are there, so we write 0. Now here 5 into minus 15. 15 5s are 75. We have to factorize 5 into 15. 5 15s are 75 plus into minus minus 75. Now this were to split in such a way we have to take the product of, factors of this, such a way that product of that should be this, summation of that should be the middle term, minus 22. So minus number should be greater. One is minus, other is plus, then only product is minus. And it is 75. We know this is 25 and 3. 25 3s are 75 here. Because addition 25 minus 3, 22 with a greater number sign, minus 22 that we have here. Therefore, this is 5m square. This becomes minus 25m plus 3m. This together, this single term. This minus 15 separately equal to 0. Here we have 5 common factor. This is 5m into m. This is 5m into 5 with a minus sign. So 5 we take common factor with this m also. The remaining m minus, this is 5 into 5m, you know. 5m comes out, so 5 with minus sign. Now this m coefficient of m is how much? Plus 3. So that we take out. Then we write the same, m minus 5 equal to right hand side. We check here, plus 3 into m plus 3m, plus into minus minus, 3 5s are 15. So it is correct. Now we take this m minus 5 common factor out. M minus 5 into this 5m here, m minus 5 into plus 3 here, equal to 0. Now the first term, m minus 5 is 0. Or second term, 5m plus 3 equal to 0. This is first factor, this is second factor. If first factor is equal to 0, like earlier argument, a into b is 0 means either a is 0 or b is 0. Like this, a into b is 0. A is 0 or this second term is 0. If first term is 0, m is equal to minus 5 goes that side, plus 5. One answer. Or here m is equal to, take this constant term to that side, opposite sign. With opposite sign we are taking that minus 3. Here multiply by 5, you divide that by 5. That's the second answer. This is minus 3 by 5. Therefore solution. What is solution? M is 5 and this m is minus 3 by 5. These are the solutions for this equation. What we did here, plus quantity taken to left hand side, minus quantity, plus 15 taken to this side with the minus sign, equal to 0. Here first term, product of extremes, 5 into minus 15, minus 75. 15 5s are 75 or 5 15s are 75, plus into minus minus. So factorizing this, to get middle term is minus 22m, we have to make it to minus 25 plus 3, adding middle term, minus 22, product minus into plus minus, 25 3s are 75. So middle term is splitted. Then we take first and second term common factor, third and fourth also common term we take out. Then we group together this similar terms, m minus 5 common taken out, then 5m plus 3 equal to 0, means two factors we are getting, first into second equal to 0. Here no term is there, means there are two types of multiplication. One is a cross product, the other is dot product. We are using dot product actually here, even though we are not writing meaning dot product. First into second equal to 0. So first is 0 or the second term is 0. First term is 0, second term is 0. So we are getting this one. So that's a question number 4. How to work it out? How to solve this? Now here question number 6. X is there in the denominator, which we don't like at all. We don't want x in the denominator. Therefore multiply with that. X into 6x, 6x square, minus x into 2 upon x. Into x upon x cancels 2, equal to x into 1 x. Multiplying throughout with that x. Okay, 6x square. Then next term comes this side, plus x comes here, minus x. Already here minus 2 equal to 0. What we did here, we have taken this plus quantity from right hand side to left hand side. First term as it is, this term also as it is. Only what you are bringing from right hand side to left hand side, sign changes. Minus x becomes plus x becomes minus x. Now product 6 into 2 12 plus into minus minus 12. We have to factorize minus 12. Product should be minus 1. 4 3s are 12. So here it is 4 and 3 12, but minus 4, sorry, minus 1. So minus 4 plus 3. Add and see. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 times x. Product minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12. Minus 12. Product of extremes. That's what we are getting here. That we have to factorize and write the middle term. So the first term, this minus 1 becomes minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Split that the middle term. See this term, minus 1x becomes minus 4x plus 3x. Now what we do here, take 2 3's, 2 2's. 2 is the common factor. X also. Take 2x into remaining 3x. 2 3's are 6, x into x, x square. This is 2 into minus 2x. 2x comes out, so minus 2. Let us check. 2 3's are 6, x square. Plus into minus, minus. 2 2's are 4 into this x. Minus 4x. Now this 3x coefficient plus 1. We take it out. Only 1. Then write this 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now see 1 into 3x, 3x. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 2. Now this 3x minus 2 common factor. We take it out. 3x minus 2. First factor into second factor 2x plus 1. Equal to 0. Therefore first factor 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. If it is 0, x is equal to, that's at 0, you know. So minus 2 goes the plus 2. Here multiply by 3, divide by 3. 2 by 3 is one answer. Solution. Now the second one. X is equal to, plus 1 goes there, minus 1 into 2x, you know. 2 into x, into becomes divided by x is half. X is minus half. Therefore, solution. X is 2 by 3 or x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. One answer, second answer. Here first of all, it is not in the standard form. It is not in the general form of quadratic equation like x square, x constant equal to 0. So, and we have the denominator, we don't want multiply with that throughout the equation. Multiply, multiply, multiply. Here multiply, divide, cancels, minus 2. Here multiply. Then take the plus x to the left side, minus x. Now it is general form, x square, x constant equal to 0 form, like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. Then factorization, middle term splitted. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Splitted. Then common factor. From here 2x. Taken out here. Here only 1 comes out. Then this term is common factor. Remaining part is this. Like a into b equal to 0. First term is 0. Or second factor is 0. First factor 0, one answer. Second factor 0, second answer. This is question number 6. Now the activity based last question. Question number 7. Now see here. Now here, 7th one. Root x square, root 2 into x square. Root 2, square root of 2 into x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. As usual, product of first term and the last term. Root 2 into root 2, 2 into 5, 10. 2 5s are 10. Root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10. This way to factorize now in such a way that addition we are getting 7. Addition we have to get 7. Multiplication we have to get 10. 7 means it is 5 plus 2, 7. Product is 5 2s are 10 also. It is plus into plus plus. So it should be minus into minus, then only plus. Or plus into plus, plus. But what is the middle term? Sign is plus. So it should be plus only. It is plus 5 plus 2, adding plus 7, product plus 10. Root 2 into 5 root 2 we are getting. Now here what is the common? Take it out. Only x we are seeing common factor. So we have to split this first this way. Root 2x square plus here plus 5 plus 2. You can write either 5 or 2. We write 2x. This root x. So 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. See, plus 7 here also. First term as it is. Last term also as it is. These two terms as it is we have to write. Only splitting the middle term. Addition should be middle term. Product should be product of extreme. 2 5s are 10. Root 2 into root 2, 2 into 5, 10. So we are correct. We proceed. Now you understand 2 is root 2 into root 2. This 2 is root 2 into root 2. Out of this root 2, 1 root 2 we can take common factor. This is root 2 into root 2, you know. The root 2 with this taken out. Here one x is there, here x square is there. X also taken out. Remaining x. This is actually what? Root 2 into root 2. After that one root 2 came out with this x. So plus the other root 2. Check and see. Root 2x into x. Root 2x square. Second term plus. Plus into plus plus. Root 2 into root 2. 2. That 2 into x. 2x. Correct. Now from these two terms. Root 2 we have to. The same factor we should get there. What is the common here? 5. 5 we take out here. It is plus 5. Plus 5 taken out means what is it? Then you write this. X plus root 2 equal to 0. If we split the middle term properly, then same term only will come across. Otherwise you see 5 into x, 5x. Plus into plus plus. 5 into root 2, 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now this term common. X plus root 2 common factor. Take it out. X plus root 2 into this. Root 2 into x here plus 5. Now take this term common factor. X plus root 2. That is taken out. That x plus root 2 equal to 0. A into B 0 means either A 0 or B 0. Second part. Root 2 into x plus 5 equal to 0. Here what you have to understand. Root sign is only for 2, not for x. Root sign you should not extend like this. It is only root 2 into x. So here x is equal to plus root 2 we take to the right side as minus root 2. One answer. Or x we want. Opposite sign of this. Multiply, no? So divide by root 2. That's the second answer. Therefore solution. X is minus root 2 or x is minus 5 by root 2. These are the solutions of this equation by factorization method. We are doing this exercise on this particular principle of factorization. Factorization means you should be clear with the tables, simple tables. So this question gets over here. Next time we continue with the next exercise. Today we stop here with this question. Now you please practice other problems as practice problems. After going through all this, after understanding thoroughly this, if you are having any doubts, you can be in contact and we can solve it. For today, we'll stop here. Okay, thank you.